Haro ya kuhitana na ungumania guku bururi-ini na makiria witia wa mahakire maabithaa borithi ni ikiritwo wathi mweru thutha wa igoti ria macira ma ungumania guku Nairobi gutwira maabithaa eria borithi cia uthuthuria marihe ndosho cia iguru kana mahori ucuru. Kuringana na itua ria mucirithania Thomas NZIOKI eria manyitikanite na mahitia ma kwamukira IHAKI kuhithirira WUIRA na kugiria maabithaa kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC kuruta wira wao.
These are the matters that shall inform this court in arriving at the final sentence. 1. The circumstances of the offence and nature of the charges. It is not in dispute that accused persons you stand convicted of offences of bribery while you are serving as a police officers attached to the DCI decorate. 2. Conduct of accused persons during the trial. This court observes and acknowledges that accused persons you have submitted to the authority of this court.
Sometimes really you take for what you want to eat and pay school fees. And like these ones, they took to pay school fees or to pay down. Really, Your Honor. These ones had no intention to.
I can take that one.
Forgive them, Your Honor. See them as people who are really after sustaining their lives and the lives of their families. And they are very remorseful.
Corporal Julius Onyango Oguma atwirirwo ndosho ya shiringi 500 kana kiho kia mwaka umwe njera ni undu wa kwamukira ihaki ria shiringi 200. Ndosho ya keri ya shiringi milioni 1 kana kiho kia miaka 3 njera na ndosho ya gatatu ya shiringi 400 ni undu wa kuhithirira WUIRA kana kiho kia mwaka umwe njera.
In count number 2 and count number 4 shall run consecutively. So in total you pay 500 plus $1,000,001.5 plus 400 in total. You raise a fine of 1.9. If it's the sentence, you add 12 months plus 3 years, that's 4 years, plus 12, that's a total of 5 years.
Hado-ini hake mwikuro wa keri Constable Charles Macharia Wanjiru atwirirwo ndosho ya shiringi 200 kana kiho kia mwaka umwe njera ni undu wa kugiria maabithaa EACC marute wira wao.
100,000 or you serve 1 year. You are only convicted of one offense. You have 14 days right to appeal against the sentence and certified copies of that's against the judgment and the sentence.
Kuringana na WUIRA wa mwena wa thitango eria manyitikanire manyitite raia umwe kuma bururi wa China na makamuhingira ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kabete thutha wa raia ucio gukorwo guku bururi-ini mugaru na watho na kuria mamwitagia ihaki ria shiringi milioni 1 kana mamutware igoti-ini niguo acokio kwao. Aha niho Oguma anyitikanire akiamukira ihaki ria shiringi 200 ire gicunje gia shiringi milioni 1 iria mendaga no agiteithiririo gwithara ni murunawe uria warathukiirie maabithaa IACC rithathi. Maabithaa mahingũrĩirwo thitango mwaka mũhĩtũku thutha wa mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ gũkindĩra WUIRA wa kamĩtĩ ya EACC. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.